Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to track your Cash App card if you lost it. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, make sure you're using the latest version of the Cash App. Open your device's App Store, search for Cash App, and install any available updates. Next, open the Cash App and sign into your account. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. After that, scroll down and tap Support. Under the support category, select Cash App Card. Here, you'll find several help articles related to your Cash App Card, including options for card management, transactions, and security. If you don't find the answer you're looking for, scroll down and choose Chat. If the chat asks whether your issue is related to a recent transaction, select the appropriate option. If it isn't, choose Not About a Transaction. Now, explain your issue to the Cash App support assistant. For example, you can type that you've lost your Cash App card and would like to know if it can be tracked or how to secure your account. Keep in mind that Cash App does not provide GPS tracking for a physical Cash App card. If your card is lost, the best thing to do is lock your Cash App card immediately from the Cash Card section of the app to prevent unauthorized use. If you can't find it, you can request a replacement card through the app. And that's it. So that's basically how you can track your Cash App card if you lost it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.